That's my for custom cruisers. Right, we're going to take these fork legs off. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. So first thing we're going to do is undo the top caps. This is a proper tool for it. Okay. Well worth buying the proper stuff. What we're going to do is basically this is obviously tight. Bent the bars back, and that allows us to get the ratchet in. Okay, so we're going to take this out. On the Softail models, this basically holds your forks in. We're going to take this off like so. Basically, this clamps through here. Okay, I'm going to put this aside, as they say. Then undo these. Undo. These have been slackened off, by the way. They'd normally obviously not be as soft as this. They should be Loctited, not covered in copper slip like these were, which is crazy. Like I had jack bikes before. If you've got jack bikes, you use copper slip on everything on a Harley, it's the last thing you use. Okay, the brakes will now swivel off. Okay, fork tube's dropped, as you can see, which isn't a problem. Now the next thing I need to do is take the fender off. So obviously we're doing that. I've got an 11/16 socket. Or 11mm actually does the same. 7/16, sorry, 9/16, it's not 11/16. Cracking up. Yeah. So, sorry, it's 1/2 inch. These bolts are 1/2 inch. Take this off. Okay, there's obviously kind of wide forks on this FXR. Okay, then we're going to take these off, which have been slackened, as you can see. The tyre's all cracked, absolutely knackered tyre. Okay, we're going to pull this off, which is your fork lower clamps. Okay, this will then allow us, lift this up, to knock the wheel spindle out. And we're going to use this particular tool called a tool persuader. Basically, okay, tool persuader, very useful. Customers don't pay as well. We're going to pull the spindle out, watch what spaces go where. Don't drop it on the floor. I can't get grit all over it, but they will be cleaned anyway. Then what I recommend you do, on this side, there's 2 washers. Okay, and there's also the nut as well. So we've got everything back on. So then we're basically going to pull the fender out, the mud guard, which obviously means we'll put the wheel out of the way, put him safe, and this leg assembly basically comes out. Okay, Now, what I might do, or will do, to make it easier, to get this nut undone on the top, the fork nuts. Okay, we're going to clamp that back in there. Nothing quite big enough, idiot. Right. Have to get some bigger spanners. Okay, so we've got perfect. So the spanner size we need 13/16. Put this in here. So imagine this will be under quite a high pressure. Okay. Other one the same. So what I'm going to do is pull this down to here. Going to do this one up. Mud guard's going to be repainted anyway. Do this up. These tools, amazing, very well worth buying, very good T-drivers. I'm going to slacken this one off. Okay, so we're taking this off. Then I'm going to take the fender off. These. Okay, and up to this is actually going to be resprayed, but sometimes you can cover them in masking tape or something similar to stop them getting damaged. Okay, put that down because it's pretty crap, the state of it. Looking at this, all the wrong washes were used anyway on this. It's a real abortion, this bike. The wiring is horrendous as well. So we're going to undo this, take the leg out, and put him over here, ready for the stripping. This one the same. Basically, we're going to slacken this. This is where these T-handles come in really good. Okay, and that is fork removal. The next stage is to rebuild the forks using all new seals, tubes, etc. And we will do that. Customcruisers.com, it's Mike. If you're interested in any great spares, see what your bearings are like. To be honest with you, for what I do, we'll take this off, put new bearings in, you know, see if there's any play in them anyway, but grease them up at least. There's only, also, I don't know if you've noticed, I've canted the handlebars back to allow us to get to the nuts, whereas normally the bars are straight up, which means the ratchet would have hit it. Customcruisers.com for spares, anything Harley Davidson, Triumph, Yamaha, you name it. Also available seal kits, sport stanchions for any bike, standard or longer. I've actually put 2-inch overs on my FXRS to make it taller. Give us a call. Thank you.